Have you ever seen a jade plant so large it looked like a miniature tree and wondered how it got that way? Most jade plants stay small, thin, and slow-growing because their owners unknowingly make a few common mistakes. The truth is, jade plants can live for decades and grow into stunning specimens with thick trunks, sturdy branches, and hundreds of glossy green leaves. Some mature plants become family heirlooms that are passed down from one generation to the next. The good news is that you don't need expensive equipment or professional gardening skills to grow a giant jade plant. What you do need is the right combination of sunlight, watering habits, soil, pruning, and patience. In today's guide, you'll discover the exact methods experienced growers use to transform a small jade plant into a beautiful indoor tree. Whether you're a beginner or already have a jade plant at home, these tips can help you encourage faster growth, stronger roots, and a thicker trunk. Stay until the end because one of the most important secrets for growing a truly impressive jade plant is often overlooked by most plant owners, and it could make all the difference in your plant's long-term success. Number 1. Give your jade plant as much light as possible. Light is the single most important factor when it comes to growing a large jade plant. Jade plants originate from sunny, dry regions where they receive abundant sunlight throughout the year. When grown indoors, they need similar conditions to thrive. A jade plant that receives insufficient light will survive, but it will not reach its full potential. Instead of developing a thick trunk and compact growth, it may become stretched, weak, and sparse. Place your jade plant near a south-facing or west-facing window where it can receive at least 4 to 6 hours of direct sunlight each day. If possible, even more sunlight is beneficial. Strong light encourages the plant to produce more energy through photosynthesis, which directly supports larger leaves, stronger stems, and faster growth. If your jade plant has been sitting in a low-light location, move it gradually to a brighter area to avoid leaf stress. During warm weather, many gardeners move their jade plants outdoors to a sunny patio or balcony. Outdoor conditions often accelerate growth dramatically. Pay attention to the leaves. Healthy jade plants exposed to adequate light usually develop firm leaves and may even display attractive red edges. Consistent sunlight provides the foundation for every other growth factor, making it the first step toward growing a truly impressive jade plant. Number 2. Use fast-draining soil to build strong roots. Healthy roots are the foundation of every large jade plant. No matter how much sunlight or fertilizer you provide, a plant cannot grow properly if its roots are unhealthy. Jade plants are succulents, meaning they store water in their leaves and stems. Because of this adaptation, they dislike sitting in wet soil for extended periods. A fast-draining soil mix allows water to move through quickly, while still providing enough moisture for root development. You can use a commercial cactus or succulent mix, or create your own blend using potting soil, coarse sand, and perlite. This combination creates air pockets that allow roots to breathe and expand. When roots receive proper oxygen and drainage, they grow stronger and more extensive. A large root system supports larger stems, more branches, and increased leaf production. On the other hand, soil that remains soggy can cause root rot, one of the most common reasons jade plants fail to thrive. Every time you water, observe how quickly excess water drains from the pot. If water sits on the surface or drains very slowly, your soil may need improvement. Repotting into a better draining mix can significantly improve growth. Remember that giant jade plants begin underground. By creating the right soil environment, you're giving your plant the stable foundation it needs to develop into a thick, tree-like specimen over time. Number 3. Master the art of proper watering. One of the biggest mistakes jade plant owners make is watering too frequently. Many people assume that more water equals more growth, but the opposite is often true. Jade plants prefer a cycle of deep watering followed by a drying period. This mimics the natural conditions they experience in their native habitat. Before watering, check the soil several inches below the surface. If it still feels moist, wait a few more days. When the soil becomes dry, water thoroughly until excess moisture drains from the bottom of the pot. Then allow the soil to dry again before the next watering. This method encourages roots to grow deeper in search of moisture. Deep roots create a stronger and more resilient plant. Frequent shallow watering, however, can lead to weak root systems and slower overall growth. The watering schedule will vary depending on temperature, humidity, and season. During spring and summer, your jade plant may need water every 2 or 3 weeks. During winter, watering may only be necessary once a month or less. Watch for signs of overwatering such as yellow leaves, soft stems, or leaf drop. Proper watering helps maintain healthy roots and prevents disease. When combined with strong sunlight and good soil, this simple practice can significantly improve your jade plant's size and appearance over time. Number 4. Upgrade pot size. Gradually choosing the correct pot size can greatly influence the growth of your jade plant. Many beginners think placing a small jade plant into a huge container will encourage faster growth. Unfortunately, this often creates problems rather than benefits. Large pots hold more soil, which retains moisture for longer periods. Excess moisture can increase the risk of root rot and slow down growth. Instead, gradually move your jade plant into slightly larger containers as it grows. A good rule is to choose a pot only 1 or 2 inches wider than the current root ball. This provides enough space for new root development without overwhelming the plant. Every few years, inspect the roots. If they are circling the pot or becoming crowded, it's time for an upgrade. Terracotta pots are especially useful because they allow moisture to evaporate through their porous walls. This helps prevent overwatering and creates healthier root conditions. As the root system expands, the plant gains access to more nutrients and water, supporting larger leaves and thicker branches. Gradual repotting encourages steady, sustainable growth. Think of the pot as your jade plant's home. A home that is too small restricts development, while one that is too large can create unhealthy conditions. Finding the right balance helps your jade plant continue growing into a magnificent indoor tree. Number 5. Feed your jade plant for faster growth. While jade plants are not heavy feeders, they still require nutrients to build thick trunks, healthy roots, and lush foliage. Over time, nutrients in potting soil become depleted, especially in container-grown plants. Providing supplemental fertilizer during the growing season can make a noticeable difference. Use a balanced liquid fertilizer diluted to half strength once every 4 to 6 weeks during spring and summer. These are the months when jade plants actively produce new growth. During fall and winter, growth naturally slows, so fertilizing should be reduced or stopped altogether. Fertilizer provides essential nutrients such as nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. Nitrogen supports leaf growth, phosphorus promotes strong roots, and potassium improves overall plant health. Together, these nutrients help the plant grow larger and stronger. Avoid the temptation to overfeed. Excess fertilizer can damage roots and lead to weak, stretched growth. More fertilizer does not necessarily mean faster growth. Consistency and moderation are far more effective. Observe your plant after feeding. Healthy growth often appears as new leaves, thicker stems, and increased branching. Combined with proper light and watering, fertilization gives your jade plant the resources it needs to reach its full-size potential and develop the sturdy structure associated with mature specimens. Number 6. Prune regularly to build a thick trunk. Pruning may seem counterproductive when trying to grow a larger plant, but it is actually one of the best ways to encourage stronger growth. Strategic pruning helps jade plants develop more branches, a thicker trunk, and a balanced tree-like shape. When you cut a branch just above a leaf node, the plant often responds by producing 2 or more new branches from that location. This creates a fuller appearance and increases the number of growth points throughout the plant. Regular pruning also removes weak, leggy growth that can drain energy from healthier sections. Instead of stretching upward with thin stems, the plant redirects resources towards strengthening its structure. As branches become heavier and more numerous, the trunk gradually thickens to support them. This natural process is what gives mature jade plants their distinctive tree-like appearance. Always use clean, sharp pruning tools and avoid removing too much growth at one time. Small, regular pruning sessions are usually more effective than drastic cuts. Another advantage is that pruned jade cuttings can be propagated into new plants. Nothing goes to waste. With patience and consistent shaping, pruning transforms an ordinary jade plant into a beautiful ornamental centerpiece that looks far older and larger than its actual age. Number 7. Be patient and let time do the work. Patience is the secret ingredient behind every truly spectacular jade plant. Unlike fast-growing houseplants, jade plants develop gradually over many years. However, their slow growth is also one of their greatest strengths because it allows them to build strong trunks, woody branches, and exceptional longevity. Many gardeners become discouraged when they don't see dramatic changes after a few months. In reality, jade plants reward consistent care over long periods. Every year of healthy growth contributes to a stronger root system, thicker stems, and a more impressive overall structure. Think of your jade plant as a long-term investment. A plant that looks small today may become a beautiful indoor tree within a decade. Some jade plants live for 50 years or more and continue growing throughout their lives. Avoid constantly moving the plant, changing care routines, or experimenting with drastic methods to speed growth. Stability is often more valuable than rapid change. Provide bright light, proper watering, good soil, occasional feeding, and regular pruning, then allow nature to take its course. The most admired jade plants are rarely the youngest ones. They are the result of years of care, patience, and attention. With time, your jade plant can become one of the most beautiful and valuable plants in your collection. Growing a large jade plant isn't about luck. It's about creating the right environment and maintaining good habits over time. By providing plenty of sunlight, well-draining soil, proper watering, gradual repotting, balanced fertilization, and regular pruning, you can help your jade plant develop into a stunning tree-like succulent. Remember, every giant jade plant started as a small plant just like yours. Stay patient, stay consistent, and enjoy watching your plant transform year after year. If you found these jade plant growing secrets helpful, be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications for more indoor gardening tips, plant care guides, and houseplant inspiration. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video!